Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my YouTube friends. How are you? So today we are going to learn parts of body. This is your mouth. Mouth. This is your mouth. Stomach. Stomach. This is your stomach. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Uterus. Uterus. This is your uterus. Nostrils. This is your nostrils. Nostrils. Tongue. Tongue. And the upper part, the white area, is called your teeth. And the area above teeth is called your lips. And the whole thing is called your mouth. This is your feet. This is your feet. Lungs. This is called your lungs. Lungs. This is your eyeball. What is it called? This is called your eyeball. Eyeball. Ear. This is known as ear, right? Ear. Kidney. Kidney. You have two kidneys. A human body has two kidneys, right? How many kidneys do you have? You have two kidneys. This is a really vital and important part of your body, which is your heart. It supplies, it pumps blood. Heart. This is your liver. Liver. It's called your liver. And the last part is your brain. Brain. This is your brain. It controls your whole body. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.